Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with my fifth layout for my August 2022 Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit. This one I'm using a page map sketch, also from August of 22, and I'm going to do this layout here. I'll show you a close-up here in just a minute. It calls for 3 photos. It looks like more of a solid sheet in the foreground and a pattern sheet, a busy pattern sheet in the background. So I have my 3 photos, and I have the solid piece of paper and then the busier piece of background paper that I plan to use like that. And this one, I'm going to have to cut it down. My granddaughter was coloring at my desk, and you can see she had a bit of a blow up with the marker, I think. Anywho, so we'll make it work. I have pulled in some embellishments. I have pulled in some stickers, adhesive, the doilies that I had in. I pulled in stars, I pulled in a tab, I pulled in a tag, I pulled in a arrow, some washi strips, I pulled in some pocket page cards. Here's some chipboard pieces, labels, and this is the same one here, but you can see I have 1, 2, 3 pieces left on here. More stars, dots, and hearts. More enamel dots. Oh, that piece that I stamped out amazing. These are some stickers, and then my alphabet stickers here. And you can see I've been putting the little dots on to make sure that I have the correct number of letters for my title that I planned out. So, anywho, let me start working on this. I'll show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created in just a minute. Okay friends, I am done. Let me show you the things that I did not use. I pulled in these labels, didn't use those. I pulled in this pocket page card, did not use it. I pulled in this doily, did not use that. And pulled in this stamped phrase word, I did not use that. Here is the sketch. Again, I used the August 2022 page map sketch, and I used this 3 photo sketch here at the bottom. You will have seen a close-up. Here is where I cut apart one of the pocket page cards. The rest will go back in because it has that grid on the background like Felicity Jane do, and I will use that for something. This is the 4x6 sheet that was in the Freckled Fawn kit that I added. I had added 1 sheet in, and I went ahead and I added another one in because I needed a little bit more. And here is the paper that I cut down for the background. That's what's left of that. The alphabet I used to create my title. Enamel dots, I used 1 piece from here, and I used several of the little dots and some of the hearts. I used a piece of this washi tape. I used 3 more phrases from this. I used a half a label sticker here and a label sticker here. And I used a label journal spot from here. I have 2 more on this sheet, and then I had the whole other sheet that I did not use. And I did use a full sticker from here and then part of another sticker because I like this little tiny portion of a sticker so much. I didn't cut it off and throw it away. I've kept it. So here's the layout that I have created, and you can see one of the pocket page cards I cut down. I cut the rainbow shape from here, from it, and put them down here. I cut out this piece from the other pocket page card. I did not have this in originally, but I pulled it in to use because it's food related. It's a chow line, and so I figured why not put one of those lemons on. There's a doily back here. You can hardly see it. It goes up here. I use stars here and stars here with the puffy dots on the inside. There's one of those longer labels cut down to go behind this phrase. It says, I love the little things. Here are my chipboard pieces, gathering, delightful, and laughing with the puffy hearts. And then the journal spot I put here along with that little chipboard piece. Down here I pulled in this little piece of a tag that I had left. It was just the top portion of it. So I placed it down here underneath this glittered label. The glitter matches up here and I wanted to bring it down here to be part of this area. And I just put my date there. So you can see I got some great use out of the supplies that I brought in. That is really, I can't peel it up. You can hardly see it's there, but I can't peel it up at this point because it will tear the paper. And I'm not willing to do that. Yeah, so there is another layout done. Layout number 5. Come back tomorrow for layout number 6. I will have close-ups at the end of the video of this layout if you're interested in watching those. If you are interested in seeing the other layouts that I have created with this kit, make sure head over to my channel, and on my playlist I will have August of 2022 and you will find all the layouts there. Anyway, guys, I will see you on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.